Hi, I'm Shashiprabha Pereira. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on reflexive pronouns. Today, we are going to explore the depths of reflexive pronouns, investigating their definition, usage, and how they can enhance the impact of your sentences. Let's kick things off with a definition. Reflexive pronouns are special pronouns that reflect the action of the verb back onto the subject. They are like linguistic mirrors, emphasizing that the subject and the object are the same. Now let's meet our reflexive pronoun Scott. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Let's read some sentences featuring reflexive pronouns. I cut myself while shaving. We must protect ourselves. I hope you enjoy yourselves at the party tonight. Now let's talk about adding emphasis with reflexive pronouns. By using reflexive pronouns, we can emphasize that someone does something personally, not anybody else. For example, I myself baked the cake. She herself wrote the letter. The manager himself supervised the work. We can also use a reflexive pronoun together with the noun it refers to emphasize it. For examples, we consulted with the CEO herself and she assured us of the company's commitment to innovation. Students themselves should take initiative in their own learning to achieve better results. Now, let's talk about using by with reflexive pronouns to mean alone. For instance, she often reads books by herself in the library. Did you bake this cake by yourself? There you have it, a comprehensive guide to reflexive pronouns. Practice using them in your sentences to add clarity and emphasis. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language lessons. See you soon. Bye.